I want to show you how to use Noodle Tools to cite an artistic installation that you found on a website. So go to Noodle Tools, open your arts project, go to your sources, and it's a new source. Again, this is a work of visual art, so you've viewed it. Work of visual art, so select work of visual art. And we found it on a website, so this wasn't one that you saw yourself in person. The name of the website is Tate Modern, so we're going to use that. That's the container, that's the container website. Put the URL in, so just copy the URL, put it in your work, and what day you viewed it, click blue today. For the artist, Cornelia Parker, but you must make sure that when you copy and paste you're putting it in the right fields. So Cornelia is her first name, Parker is her last name. What type of art is this? It's an installation, so that's what you select. The title of the installation is Cold Dark Matter, an Exploded View. You want the entire title, so put that, copy and paste the entire one in, and the date is there for you as well. So if you're at if you have gone to the art gallery to see these works of art, you need to make sure that if you're using your own photographs that you've got information from beside the piece of art or in the brochure that comes with the exhibition when those pieces were created and who the artist was each time. And further down there is the correct citation, starting with the artist's last name.